Hey, pretty girls, look what I found on Facebook Marketplace. It is a HP T795. Now, when I seen this on Facebook Marketplace, I was like, it looked like a nice size printer. Okay. And so when I messaged the guy, I was like, well, what can I do with it? He was like, you can make banners. I was like, okay. And so he was only selling it for 175. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. When he brought this thing to my house, I was like, OMG, this thing is humongous. He said it can make banners, it can make car wraps, it can do all types of things. This printer is worth over $4,000. And I did give him a little extra because I felt bad. Because this thing is humongous. The problem is when I go on YouTube, I can only find videos in a different language about this printer. Do anybody have this? Do you have a T795? If so, how can I, in the YouTube videos, can you give me some tips of what I can do with it, how to work it? Help me out, pretty girls. Help me out. Help me out, please. This thing is humongous.